Hello guys, welcome back to another video in this SharePoint series. In this video, I will show you how to use the modern calendar template to create and manage events easily in SharePoint. For that one, first open your SharePoint site. Either it might be a team site or communication site. In the site, you can see there is an option called New. Just click on that one, then choose List. You can see in modern SharePoint Online, there are many features like form, gallery, calendar, and board. Here you can directly create calendar with this template. So select that option, then give a name for your calendar. For example, I will give team events. If you choose this option, this calendar will be displayed in the left navigation bar. Otherwise, it won't be appeared. So let's keep as it is and click on create. Once it is created, your calendar will open in a clean and weekly layout. You can see for current week, the calendar is displayed here. If you want to change this view on the right side, just beside this calendar, you can see there is a drop down icon. Just click on that one or click on the calendar title itself. Now here you can see different views like month view, day view, and work view. So I'll choose a month view. Now you can see a calendar with entire month displayed here. Now the view is changed but it's not yet saved. You can see there is a asterisk symbol on top of the calendar, which means the changes which you have made, those are not saved yet. To save the changes, click on the calendar again. Then you can see there is an option called save view. Click on that one. Now you can see asterisk is disappear, which means now our view is saved with the changes. Now we can use this calendar in our web pages and in other locations. Next, let's add some events here. To add a new item, you can see there is an option at the top, add new item. Just click on that one. Here, add one title for your event. For example, I will add as team meeting or team weekly meeting. Then I will put a start date tomorrow 10 a.m. Then similarly select the end date as tomorrow 11 a.m. Now we have saved the start and end date. If you want to attach any documents or prerequisites for your meeting, you can attach that one using this option. Currently, I don't want to add any attachments, so let's save this one. Now currently we are in June. If you go to the date where we have added event, you can see there is a event added in the calendar. That's it guys. With these simple steps, you can add a calendar in your SharePoint and add events as well for that one. In the next video, we'll see how to customize this calendar and add some more fields. You might have observed when I click on add new item, there are only 4 fields, but in real-time scenarios, we need more fields based on our requirement. So in the next video, we'll see how we can achieve that one. Thanks guys for watching this. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials.